Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to use AliExpress but your account is locked, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you exactly how to fix this issue. First, let's try the quickest fix. Sometimes a locked account message is actually just a temporary glitch with the app's cache. Open your phone settings and go to Apps or App Management. Scroll down, find AliExpress, and tap Force Stop. Next, go to Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Make sure you only clear the cache and not the data so you do not lose your login details. Finally, turn off your Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Reopen the AliExpress app. If it was just a temporary glitch, your account is now fixed. However, if your account is genuinely locked for security reasons, the app method will not work. Here is the updated method to recover it. First, check your email for a notification from AliExpress. They often send a direct link to verify your identity and unlock the account. If you did not get an email, open your web browser and go to the AliExpress login page. Click on Trouble Signing In and choose Reset Your Password. Resetting your password via SMS or email is the fastest way to lift a standard security lock. If your account is suspended for a deeper policy review, navigate to the official AliExpress Help Center. Search for account suspension and click on the appeal option. You will need to submit a quick form which sometimes requires a photo of your ID or the card used for purchases to prove you own the account. Once submitted, AliExpress usually unlocks your account within 1 to 3 business days. That is it. If this video helped you fix your problem, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. See you next time.